Hi, fellow newbies. I'm Jeff, the Ham Radio Newbie, and welcome to the Ham Radio Newbie tonight. I'm going to do something that I don't normally do, something a little bit different. Normally, I have the radio that we're looking at, or I have the device so that we can compare it to. But what I'm going to do tonight is what one of my favorite YouTubers does. It's M0FXB at Hamtech Radio Scanner and Drones. By the way, I'm going to leave a link to his site and his channel. I would check it out. It got some cool stuff up there. Anyway, what he does is if he finds something cool that he likes or he's curious about, what he'll do is do a video that is just really showing what it's all about from the website. That's what I'm going to do tonight. So earlier today, I got an email from Radioddity, and they have this Baofeng UV 7B on sale right now for the next few days. There's a discount code. This is a tri-band radio, so VHF, UHF, 1.25 meters, 70 centimeters, and 2-meter bands. It also supports FM radio, like a lot of theirs do. It also supports airband, which not all of theirs does. Listen to airplanes and whatnot. The NOAA weather stations, always a good thing to have. Plus, it's good for, it's got a flashlight and the general things that you're going to find in most Boafeng radios. But it also has this app. And take a look here at the size. So here's the cell phone and here's the radio right next to it. It looks like this is a pretty small, decent sized handheld radio. And I'm thinking that this might be really good when traveling. So you go over the river and through the woods to grandmother's house, you get there and you don't have all the local repeaters tuned in. Well, you quickly jump on Radio Book and you pick up a few scanners and then you put them in through this app. You don't have to have Chirp with you. You don't have to have another computer with you. And you don't have to go through all the front menus, which is just a royal pain, as we all know. This has got some nice things about it too. It's USB-C chargeable, which is really nice to have because you can charge it in your car. You can charge it off of a battery pack or something like that. It's got all the normal controls that you would expect. It's got 1,000 channels and 10 zones. The zones are things that you can customize so that you can quickly go between like my home zone and if I'm going to the same town all the time, my work zone or something like that, so that you can quickly switch between them. You don't have to go through hundreds of saved channels. I've got several radios that are the same size display. It's a good size display. Sometimes when you get outside, it washes a little bit, but you put your hand around it like we used to do with old LEDs, like LED watches, and it's great. Or you get it in a shadow and it's great and you can read it. I'm not worried about any of that. And like I said, I'm very intrigued because of the size. So Radioddity is selling one for $32.99, but if you're interested, you can, for $39.99, you can get all that plus 2 antennas and the external microphone and the ear thingy so that you can hear well. And if you got a buddy you want to give one to, there's the 2-pack for $65, which is a pretty nice deal. It's basically everything in the other one, only doubled. The other nice thing is if you use the coupon code that I'll put in the show notes, that 65 gets reduced by $15, and you know, it's a nice little savings. Like I said, I don't have this radio yet, but I think I'm going to try to get one. And when I do, I'll do a review of it and we'll check it out together and we'll go from there. So I'm Jeff, the Ham Radio Newbie, saying 73 KB5 JRC, and I'm out.